These aren't just kitchen gadgets. They completely change how you cook. From cutting your prep time in half to making everything effortless, these 37 game-changing finds are next level. And gadget number 9 is something you won't believe exists. Meet the Pato Ozone 310 Vacuum Blender. Blend smoother, richer, nutrient-packed drinks that stay fresh longer without separating. With powerful vacuum technology and an extra storage container, it's perfect for healthy, hassle-free blending every day. Keep your pantry fresh and organized with this rice airtight storage container. Designed to hold 3 to 5 pounds of rice, cereal, or dry foods, it features an airtight seal to lock in freshness and a built-in measuring cup for easy pouring. Made from BPA-free clear plastic, it's perfect for storing sugar, flour, or even pet food with convenience and style. Elevate your drinks and dishes with the Cocktail Smoker Kit Burner Pro Extended 12-piece set. This kit includes smoke infuser, accessories, and wood chips to add rich, aromatic cold smoke to cocktails, whiskey, or food. Perfect as a gift for men or anyone who loves gourmet flavors at home. Enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich juice with the Ninja Neverclog Cold Pressed Juicer JC151. This powerful slow juicer features total pulp control with 2 pulp settings, so you get your perfect texture every time. Designed to never clog, it's easy to use, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe, perfect for everyday healthy living. Serve in style with this extra-large glass salad bowl set. Featuring a durable glass bowl, acacia wood base, and matching serving utensils, it's perfect for parties and family meals. Elegant, spacious, and practical, an ideal centerpiece for any kitchen or dining table. Make meal prep effortless with the Ashada electric pea sheller machine. This automatic, rechargeable peeler quickly and efficiently shells peas, beans, and legumes, saving time in home or restaurant kitchens. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for fresh, hassle-free cooking. Keep your kitchen sink organized with the Smiley Face Sponge Holder. This stainless steel over-faucet caddy holds sponges neatly while the quick-dry stone mat keeps them clean and dry. Stylish, practical, and easy to install, perfect for a clutter-free kitchen. Serve snacks in style with this chip and dip serving set. Made from durable melamine, the divided tray keeps chips, dips, and appetizers organized and easy to access. Perfect for parties, game nights, or casual gatherings, it's both practical and elegant for any occasion. Enjoy pizzeria-quality pizza at home with the Piazzano XL 14-inch electric indoor pizza oven. Heating up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, it cooks delicious, crispy stone-baked pizzas in under 6 minutes. The dual heat control lets you customize top and bottom cooking for perfect results every time. Designed for countertops and complete with peels and a scraper, it's everything you need for fast, authentic pizza nights. Experience cafe-quality coffee at home with the Ninja Luxe Cafe 3 in 1ES601. This all-in-one machine brews espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew, featuring an integrated grinder, milk frother, assisted tamper, and built-in accessory storage. Sleek stainless steel design meets convenience, making every cup rich, smooth, and perfectly crafted. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the JQ 4-tier rotating vegetable storage rack. Made from solid carbon steel, this no-assembly cart features smooth rolling wheels and spacious baskets for potatoes, onions, and fresh produce. Its sleek black design adds modern style while keeping everything within easy reach. Upgrade your kitchen in seconds with this 2-pack expandable pull-out cabinet organizer. Designed for 21-inch deep cabinets, it features smooth triple-slide rails for effortless access. The adjustable width fits cabinets from 12 to 20.4 inches, while the raised pad ensures stability, even in framed cabinets. No drilling needed, just peel, stick, and enjoy a clutter-free space. Smart storage made simple. Create your own beautiful candles at home with the KQU Candle Making Kit. This all-in-one DIY kit includes premium wax, glass jars, and a wax melter, making it easy for adults to craft custom candles. Perfect for art, crafts, gifts, or relaxing at-home projects, it brings creativity and style to every space. Cook with confidence using this 8-quart 3-ply stainless steel stock pot. Made with durable 1810 whole-clad stainless steel, it delivers even heat for perfect soups, pasta, and stews. Induction-ready, oven-safe, and dishwasher-safe, built for every modern kitchen. Keep your favorite seasonings organized with this 3-grid seasoning box with tray. Designed for salt, pepper, sugar, and spices, it features individual compartments with spoons for easy serving. The hanging wall design or countertop placement offers flexible storage, while the fresh green finish adds a stylish touch to your kitchen decor. Cook like a pro with the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0. Powered by 1100 watts, it heats water quickly and keeps the perfect temperature for restaurant-quality meals every time. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and monitor your cooking right from your phone. Just seal your food, set the temp, and enjoy perfectly tender, flavorful results. Cook eggs perfectly every time with the 6-in-1 electric egg cooker. It easily makes soft or hard-boiled eggs, onsen tamago, tea eggs, custard, and even yogurt. Designed with BPA-free stainless steel and automatic shutoff for safe cooking, this compact cooker is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or quick keto-friendly meals. Make fun, homemade treats with the Maya-Woof popsicle molds. This 10-cavity BPA-free silicone ice pop maker comes with sticks, bags, reusable sticks, a funnel, brush, and recipes, perfect for creating healthy, delicious popsicles at home. Keep your food, drinks, and skincare cool, or warm, anywhere with the Kulialai Mini Fridge. This portable 4L/6 fridge is perfect for bedroom, dorm, office, or car use, with 12 VAC DC power and an exclusive USB option. Compact, versatile, and ideal for drinks, snacks, or beauty products on the go. Bring leftover pizza back to life with the Pizza Pack Pizza Plate. This microwave and oven-safe metal tray helps reheat pizza with a crispy crust, while the silicone edge ensures safe handling. It's reusable, dishwasher-safe, and perfect for quick, delicious reheating. Enjoy perfect tea time with the Belanco 2.5L whistling tea kettle. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it features a loud whistle to alert you when water boils and a stylish wood-pattern folding handle for safe, easy pouring. Elegant, durable, and perfect for tea, coffee, or milk. Peel, core, and slice fruits effortlessly with the upgraded apple peeler and corer. This manual rotating gadget works on apples, pears, and citrus, and comes with 2 replacement heads and a splitter for easy, precise prep. Take your cocktails to the next level with the Cocktail Bubble Smoke Gun Kit, Aroma Blaster 2. Featuring 5 flavor aroma pods and edible bubbles, it creates a stunning visual and aromatic experience for drinks. Perfect for bars, parties, or home use, and an ideal gift for any cocktail lover. Organize your spices in style with the 360 degrees rotating 2-tier spice rack. This revolving organizer holds 12 jars and spins effortlessly for easy access. Perfect for countertops or cabinets, it keeps your seasonings neatly arranged and within reach while cooking. Cook healthy, flavorful meals with the Cuisinart Cook Fresh Digital Glass Food Steamer. This 5-liter steamer features 5 pre-programmed settings for vegetables, seafood, and more, plus a convenient keep warm function and audible alerts. The dishwasher-safe glass pot makes cleanup easy, making it a smart, modern addition to any kitchen. Chop, grind, and prep faster with the KOIOS 500-watt food processor. Featuring 2 8-cup bowls and dual bi-level blades, it delivers powerful, even chopping every time. Perfect for meat, nuts, onions, garlic, and baby food, this compact electric chopper saves time and effort, making everyday cooking simple, quick, and efficient. Brew with precision using this electric gooseneck kettle featuring 5 temperature control presets for perfect coffee and tea every time. The 1200W heating element quickly boils up to 0.8 liters, while the 100% stainless steel inner lid and bottom ensure pure taste and durability. Designed with a precision gooseneck spout, it delivers smooth, controlled pouring for flawless pour-over brewing. Make perfect breakfast every time with this 4-pack silicone egg ring set. These non-stick, easy-to-use molds help you cook round eggs, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches, perfectly shaped to fit McMuffin-style biscuits. Enjoy delicious homemade hot pot with the Dezen Electric Shabu Shabu Pot. Featuring a spacious 4-liter removable non-stick pot, it makes cooking and cleaning effortless. The dual power control lets you adjust heat for perfect simmering, while the tempered glass lid helps lock in flavor. Ideal for parties, family dinners, and friendly gatherings, it brings warmth and convenience to every meal. Meet the Hug Dug Spoon Saver, the cute and clever way to keep your spoon from falling into the pot. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it works as a spoon holder and lid lifter right on your stove. Fun, practical, and mess-free, it's a cool kitchen gadget that adds personality to everyday cooking. Preserve foods safely and easily with the Presto 23-quart digital pressure canner. Its precise digital controls automate the canning process for consistent results. Perfect for canning vegetables, meats, and more with reliable performance and large capacity. Make food prep fun and easy with this elephant drainage vegetable washing basket. Perfect for rinsing fruits, vegetables, pasta, and noodles, it features a clever elephant-shaped spout for quick draining. Compact, lightweight, and stylish in green, it's a cute and practical addition to any kitchen. Create fresh, healthy yogurt at home with the ultimate probiotic yogurt maker. Featuring adjustable time and temperature controls, it helps produce trillions of live probiotics for maximum health benefits. The 2 1-quart containers allow you to make larger batches, including thick Greek yogurt. Easy to use and built to last with an ultimate lifetime warranty. Wash, drain, and store fresh fruits with ease using this upgraded fruit washing bowl with strainer. Made from BPA-free materials, it features a built-in drain basket, lid with ice compartment, and a foldable handle for easy carrying. Perfect for berries, fridge storage, picnics, and outdoor trips. Make produce cleaning faster and easier with the EKZ Sonic Fruit Vegetable Cleaning Brush. Delivering up to 8,000 vibrations per minute, it efficiently removes dirt with food-grade bristles that are safe for your fruits and veggies. USB-C rechargeable, waterproof, and featuring 3 cleaning modes, it's a smart upgrade for every kitchen. Make fun, mess-free sandwiches in seconds with the Uncrustable Sandwich Maker. This 3.7-inch circle cutter and sealer easily creates perfect sandwich pockets for kids' breakfasts and lunchboxes. Just fill, press, and seal for delicious homemade snacks. Its compact light blue design is easy to use, easy to clean, and perfect for busy mornings. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-piece non-toxic cutting board set. Made from BPA-free plastic and rubber, it includes premium scissors and an organizer to keep everything in place. Dishwasher safe and durable, it's perfect for all your chopping, slicing, and meal prep needs. Cook more at once with this double-layer steamer basket. Made from durable stainless steel, its expandable design, 5.4 to 11 inches, fits most pots and instant pots. The 2-in-1 large capacity lets you steam vegetables, seafood, dumplings, or baby food quickly and evenly. Make meal prep fast and easy with the Bear Food Processor. Powered by a 400W motor, it quickly chops meat, vegetables, and baby food with 2 stainless steel blade sets. The 8-cup and 2.5-cup glass bowls and 2-speed control give you perfect results for both small and large batches. Keep your microwave clean and your food perfectly heated with this microwave splatter cover. The clear lid lets you see your food while preventing messy splatters, and the built-in water steamer helps keep meals moist and delicious. With a convenient integrated handle, it's easy to lift safely after heating. Designed to fit 10-inch plates and a 12-mat, this BPA-free kitchen essential makes reheating faster, cleaner, and more convenient every day. Make delicious pizzas anywhere with the Flame King Tanner 12-inch portable propane pizza oven. Designed for camping, backyard, and tailgating, it features multiple air vents, piezo auto ignition, and a non-stick pizza stone for perfectly crispy pizzas every time. Meet the KATCHENDO glass sugar dispenser, a stylish and practical upgrade for your kitchen. Made from durable borosilicate glass, it features a side pour spout for smooth, mess-free pouring and a built-in lid that helps slow down moisture. With easy-to-read measuring marks and a BPA-free design, enjoy refreshing frozen treats at home with this snow cone machine. Powered by a 300W motor with 2000 R/min speed, it quickly crushes ice using sharp stainless steel blades for smooth shaved ice. Perfect for making snow cones, slushies, and icy desserts in seconds. It also includes a free ice pick and ice cube tray, making it a convenient and fun addition to any kitchen. Stop messy oil splatters with this 13-inch silicone splatter screen. Designed to fit most 10 to 12-inch pans, it protects your stovetop while letting steam escape. The heat-resistant silicone, foldable handle with sleeves, and dishwasher-safe design make cooking safer, cleaner, and more convenient. Cook healthier with the Kitchen Academy 10-piece ceramic cookware set. These non-stick, induction-ready pots and pans feature a non-toxic ceramic coating that's free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS. Durable, stylish, and easy to clean, perfect for everyday cooking. Grill delicious kebabs easily with this air fryer skewer rack. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it holds 15 skewers and fits Instant Pot 8QT air fryers. Perfect for evenly cooking chicken, meat, and barbecue right in your kitchen. Prepare healthy, fresh meals for your little one with the Bear Baby Food Maker. This all-in-one set includes a baby food processor, storage containers, silicone spoons, and a puree blender for fruits, vegetables, and meats. Make nutritious, homemade baby food quickly and safely every day. Upgrade your drinks with the Tavolo Sphere Ice Molds, set of 2. These molds create large, slow-melting ice spheres that keep drinks colder longer without watering them down. Perfect for cocktails, whiskey, or iced coffee. Easily bake fresh bread at home with the 5.2QT electric dough maker. Featuring a ferment function, weighting system, and intuitive face-up touch panel, it ensures perfect dough every time. Made with durable 304 stainless steel, this dough maker is ideal for bread, pizza, and pastry enthusiasts.